Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use the split screen feature on your OPPO Pad 5. To enable it, let's open any application on our tablet and then let's go to the recent view by swiping from the bottom of the screen. To enable the split screen, we're gonna have to tap the three dot icon in the top right corner of the application and select split view. Then we're gonna have to select the second application that we want to use alongside. After that, we'll be able to adjust the size of each application by moving the bar between them, and we'll be able to use both of these applications simultaneously. If you want to close the split screen view, you can either tap the three dot icon on top of the application and change the view for it, or you can just make one application, expand one of the applications to the full screen view. Now, if you open an app and then accidentally put your window into the floating window mode, you can still enter the split screen view by tapping the three dot icon at the top and selecting split view here. And then, just like we did before. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.